Hi, we're Abby
And Jeremy.
with Scout Peak Home Buyers. Thanks for considering us.
We started this business with a simple idea: help people move forward and fix up houses that need some love.
If you're dealing with repairs, a tight timeline, or a situation that's complicated, we get it. Our approach is simple and transparent.
Here's what working with us is like. You'll talk directly with us, we'll ask you a few questions, do a quick walkthrough, virtual or in person, and share a clear cash offer using a simple formula: ARV minus repairs, minus holding costs, minus a minimum profit. No hidden fees, and we typically cover standard closing costs.
You pick your closing date as soon as 7 to 14 days or later if you need more time. Take what you want, leave the rest. We'll handle everything after closing.
What matters most to us is respect for you, your time, and your home. If a traditional sale would be better for you, we'll say so. The goal is the right outcome, not just a transaction.
If you want honest answers in a simple path, book an appointment or fill out the form on this page, and we'd be honored to help.
We're
Scout Peak, local, helpful, and fair.